So welcome to the Rope Trading Communities video, and this is your stopping volume and key important points of stopping volume video. And in this video I'll be talking about the importance of stopping volume and how you can recognize it, and at the same time how you can use that effectively in the markets just by recognizing it. I'm not going to explain how to trade this because I don't personally trade stopping volume, but I use this particular pattern, the VSA pattern, to understand what's happening in the market. So let's get back to the video, and right here let's first understand what is stopping volume and where it is used. Stopping volume is also known as absorption volume. Normally in a downtrend you will see a down bar with a high or ultra high volume closing on the upper side or closing on the upper middle half. In simple, it has a similar features of selling climax, but the thing is that it has to be on the upper side. The closing has to be on the upper side of it. Okay, same thing in selling climax and stopping volume. The volumes are almost similar. Sometimes the volume might be lesser, but at the same time you can see the closing is the actual difference right here. In selling climax, the closing will be on the lower side of the bar, and in stopping volume the closing will be on the upper side of the bar. This indicates the buyer's dominance in the market, and at the same time you can see stopping volume in a both uptrend or a downtrend. If you see a stopping volume in an uptrend, you can count that as a signal of weakness also, but if you see a stopping volume on a downtrend, that's the most important point. Usually you see stopping volume on a downtrend, you can count that as a signal of strength where buyers are entering the market. Okay, so usually I try to buy the stopping volume above the levels of stopping volume. In simple, I draw the high of the stopping volume. Once the market goes above the stopping volume, then I look for buy opportunities until and unless, because I already told you stopping volume is a absorption volume bar and market goes sideways after a particular time. I'm going to show you some examples also. But before that, you have to understand the next bar should be a up bar for a confirmation. Okay. In most of the cases, it has to be a up bar, but sometimes market goes sideways after a stopping volume. Even that's a confirmation that this is a level where absorption is happening in the markets. Okay. Now, this is your Paytm chart of 1 hour time frame. As you can see, I have marked a stopping volume right here using the VSA indicator, which I already explained in the previous videos. Right here you have a stopping volume. So what are the features of stopping volume? First thing, it has to be a widespread bar. Second thing, the volume has to be an ultra high volume. The third thing, the closing of the stopping volume should be on the middle and the higher side of the bar. Okay. Now, as you can see, already told you that stopping volume is an absorption volume. When stopping volume occurs, either market stops its particular downtrend and it might continue a uptrend, or market might go sideways. Because it is an absorption volume, market starts absorbing more and more orders right here for a possible up move or a down move. Okay, now I'm going to show you one more examples regarding it. As you can see, this is a Reliance 1 hour time frame and this is your selling climax. Okay, this is a signal of weakness. It is selling climax and stopping volume, both considered as signal of weakness where buyers are entering in the market. And at the same time, as you can see, you got one signal of weakness as a selling climax, and again you got a stopping volume. It is a clear sign that buyers are entering at these levels, and at the same time market is going on a higher highs after the stopping volume. This is also one of the really good examples. What you can do is go ahead, apply the indicator and see where the stopping volume is occurring. That would be the best case for you, and you can understand a lot than this video. Okay, because I personally believe that practical knowledge is way more important than the theoretical knowledge, right? So go ahead, try it out and make sure you understand how stopping volume works. If you have any questions, definitely can message me in WhatsApp and I'm gonna explain regarding it. Okay, now this is also one of the examples of stopping volume. This is called TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, of 1 hour time frame. Look at this, exactly you got a stopping volume and market started creating a higher highs. But most of the time, sometimes you get a false stopping volume. Sometimes I don't really consider this as a stopping volume, but it has an increased volume. And by the way, there was a major support at these levels. Okay, I didn't mark the major support, but you have to understand that there is a major support around these levels. So that's why stopping volume also occurred and buyers entered aggressively on these levels. Okay, they created a reaccumulation zone and market started going on higher highs after that. Okay, so basically this can be really useful for a lot of positional traders out there who wants to understand the market, whether the market buyers are entering or not. Okay, there was a major support around these levels, that's why market created a stopping volume, and at the same time market reacted again around these levels and market started creating higher highs. Now this is one of the updates. Previously I made one of the cryptocurrency update on Bitcoin and Solana, and exactly I told you that I will buy above the stopping volume levels. Okay, and exactly same thing with the Paytm and Solana right here, it's happening. Let me just show you the Paytm right here. So look, Paytm stopping volume, market went on a absorption phase and market went sideways. Exactly the same thing is happening right here. Stopping volume at the same level. This is actually support. Okay, this entire zone is actually support. Go ahead, watch the cryptocurrency video which I already uploaded. Link will be in the description or it will be on the top left corner. Now you can see the stopping volume right here. Exactly market is absorbing on these levels. Okay, market might went down, but still it is observing the same levels. I will buy about $212 if the Solana goes above 212. I'm definitely looking for buy opportunity. I already started buying 50% quantities around these levels, and I'll buy 50% again on these levels. And I will try to buy more and more because I personally believe that Solana is a really good cryptocurrency in the upcoming days. And that's it for this video, because stopping volume usually I don't trade. This is one of the concept video, so that's why I'm keeping it very short. Okay, so make sure you use this very effectively in the markets, and at the same time if you have any questions definitely can message me. I'm gonna explain you. If you want one more video on stopping volume, I'll make a video, but please comment on the comment section so that I can know whether there is a demand for this one particular topic, and I can make one more video. And if you want a version of Hindi version, definitely you can comment and I'll make a Hindi version also if you want it. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next videos. And most of you are watching this video without subscribing. Okay, like literally 63% of the viewers who are watching the playlist section of basics of volume spread analysis or buying climax or upthrust action are not subscribing to the channel. If you're subscribing, it's going to motivate me to make more videos every single week for you guys. Even if I'm busy, even if I have a corporate job, I'm still making videos for you guys so that you can learn. And I'm going to make a lot of intraday videos and positional videos. I'm going to give more videos on Elliott wave analysis also in the upcoming days. So please make sure you subscribe, like, and share it as much as possible with your friends. Okay, so thank you so much. We'll see you in the next videos. Goodbye.